curious collage. The tools we will be using are scissors and glue. The materials we will be using is a plain piece of paper and some magazines. Let's begin by cutting out 3 pieces of paper from your magazine. A small piece, a medium piece, and a large piece. You can cut out pictures or just shapes. When you're cutting out a picture, cut around the picture. I'm cutting around the picture of the bed. Now I have one large shape. Next, I'm going to cut out a medium-sized shape. For my small shape, I'm going to cut out any shape I want. Now I'm going to play with my shapes until I like exactly where they are. I think I want to add a surprise shape before I finish. Next, I'm going to glue my shapes onto my paper. I'm going to first start with the biggest pieces, the ones that are behind my smaller pieces. I'm going to turn over my shape, add some glue, and gently press it onto the paper before overlapping my other shapes. For my next collage, I'm going to make my own silly shapes.